Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to activate privacy display on your Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone. So without any further ado, let's go to the main topic. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a new feature called privacy display, and it can be very useful if you often use your phone in public places. Whether you are in a train, office or crowded area, this feature helps keep your screen private from people sitting beside you. Privacy display works by making the screen look normal when you see it straight on, but from side angles the display becomes darker or harder to read. This means other people cannot easily see your messages, passwords, photos or private apps. Samsung has also added options to customize how this feature works. Turning it on the Galaxy S26 Ultra is very easy. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and tap the privacy display icon. Now active, so other personas cannot see your private content. You can also go to settings, then display and turn on privacy display from there. Once enabled, it stays active unless you change the settings. Samsung also lets you set conditions for this feature. For example, you can make privacy display work only for certain apps or only for notifications. This is useful if you want privacy for banking apps, messages or sensitive alerts without hiding your full screen all the time. There is also a stronger mode called maximum privacy protection for users who want extra privacy. But keep in mind, this can slightly affect the screen's look, so most users may prefer the normal privacy display mode. Overall, privacy display is one of the most useful Galaxy S26 Ultra features, especially for people who care about privacy while using their phone in public. I hope you understand everything in this video. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.